Hello! Today, Sis is going to share with you how to practice zero kitchen waste using HAVVA vertical compost towel.
First, let's see what are those items included. You will receive 1 HAVVA vertical compost towel with end cap, 2 kg of worm cast, supplement NB 1 bottle each, and assorted seeds 1 pack. With this HAVVA vertical compost towel, you are able to reduce 3 liter food waste per edition and grow plant as a bonus on both layers. Now, I will show you the suitable place to set up the compost towel. First, make sure the location is with overhead shelter, which can prevent the compost towel to expose under rain, so that your system won't get flooded as it's a closed system. Second, need to make sure the location you pick can exposure under the direct sunlight, with minimum 4 hours per day, so that your plants can grow with enough sunlight. Else, the plant will elongate and with slow growth. If you wish to grow some indoor plant which no need much sunlight for growing, then you can go ahead even the location do not contain minimum 4 hours of direct sunlight. Lastly, please make sure you place the compost towel on the flat surface so that your system is not slanted to one side.
Now, let's see how to set up the system correctly.
First, you need to open the end cap. Filling up your compost towel with worm cast provided, just place the worm cast into the center pipe. Press the worm cast with your hand to make it more solid. Make sure you add it until reach about 5 cm height inside, reach this line. Then, make sure the worm cast is compactly filled up both layers to prevent the soil level being reduced after watering. It will be difficult to top up with worm cast once your plant is on growing. If there is an extra worm cast, you can just keep it for future use. No worries.
Now, we proceed to the germination part.
Just use your fingers to make some shallow holes on each layers. Can make about 10 holes on each layer. It's about 2 cm distance between each hole. Then, just place 2 seeds in each hole. After that, cover up the seed with some worm cast will do. Just a simple step.
Now, come to the turn on how to do watering correctly.
There are 2 ways to do watering. Either you want to use a hand sprayer or use any recycled 500 to 600 ml bottle. You can prepare a 500 ml hand sprayer and fill up with tap water inside. Now you can start do spraying like this. Make sure the surface of the worm cast is wet. For recycled bottle, you need to do some DIY work. Make about 4 to 5 holes on the cap so that you can do watering using the bottle. You can do watering 1 to 2 times per day, depends on the soil condition. Just make sure the soil surface is wet after watering. If you see the soil very dry like this, means the soil is lacking of water and you have to make the watering right now.
This supplement is actually provided to add on those nutrients lacking in your compost and also for better plant growth.
Pour about 1/3 of the cap of each nutrient. Add into 500 ml tap water bottle. Shake it to mix well. Make sure you shake it upside down to mix the nutrient well. After that, you can use this mixture to watering your plants. Can make it once in 2 weeks or any time when your plants show symptoms with yellow leaf or slow growth. You can put in fruit peels, eggshell, rice, noodle, brown skin, coffee ground, and tea bag into the compost towel. Just remove the end cap and add kitchen waste like this will do. After added, please make sure you cover up with the end cap to prevent any housefly goes into the tower and lay eggs. There are things you should not add in the compost tower. For example, you should not add any leftover soup or liquid residue into the system, as it is a closed system which is easy to get flooded inside and affect the ecosystem. When the decomposing process begins, it will produce slightly unpleasant odor and black soldier flies might grow in the compost tower. Don't worry, it's normal. Just need to make sure you cover up the system with end cap will do. Reminder, you can apply ant bait on the surrounding of the compost tower when there is ants appear on your system. You can grow leafy vegetables like kailan, naibai, pak choy, lettuce, and so on. Ornament plant like succulent plant, cactus, and flowers. Herbs like mint, basil can also be grown on this system. Once the inner pipe is fully filled with the kitchen waste, kindly stop adding any waste. Just let it decompose. Once the decomposing process is done, you will find that the waste is settled down, and there is a space for you to add on with the new batch of the kitchen waste. After few runs of adding, you will find that the space inside your system to add kitchen waste is being reduced. So, you can actually take out the compost to use as a fertilizer to other plants on soil or in a pot. Then, you can start new batch of composting again.